Mario Draghi used to be the head of the European Central Bank, which was like being head of the Federal Reserve for a number of years. And he and I got to know each other in that. He completed that. And he's highly, highly respected. He's Italian. And Italy has crazy anarchy. Like they've had an average of one prime minister a year, and so chaotic and so bad that all the political parties got together and said, we will be united under Mario Draghi. We will let him lead. We will turn it over to him.
Wow.
And he said, I will do that only as long as all the political parties remain united. Because if they don't remain united, we're going to get into this dysfunctional fighting, and I know it's not going to work.